Previously on LiyahJoineé. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is a pretty exciting day as we have lots in store. And speaking of that, let's have a quick preview of what we will be experiencing. Okay, so now that y'all got a good glimpse, let's start the video. Alright, it's currently 9:33 in the morning. I just woke up. Let's go ahead and get this morning routine started. Wow, y'all, this is so beautiful outside today. Yo. Bruh. Y'all, this place is huge. Oh, watch your step. Look how deep this step is. One step, you're gone. It has a, what is it, a lake over there. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new viewer watching, my name is LiyahJoineé. I'm 23 and I just vlog and document my life. So today we are currently at the Pentalon. It is such an amazing place. The building is huge and we're just going out and just exploring it for a little bit until we move on to our next day. I can't talk, y'all, but anyways, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, so this is like a little garden. Y'all, look at this plant. I don't even know what kind of plant this is. It kind of looks like it's dying. We took some pictures currently, but I don't know, it's getting hot. And yeah. Oh look, oh, it's a neon. Oh no, look, I'm catching it. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, it left. Yeah, they got some type of field trip or something going on over here. It's so hot. I took a few pictures, but like right now I'm sitting right here because there's a lot of air conditioning. But we're about to go get some snow cones, so. Okay, I'm about to try to look for the next location here. Y'all, I don't know where we at, but we somewhere.
Bruh. This man just, why would he do that? But you can't bring no purse with you, can't do nothing. You gotta keep your money in a certain place in your sock or something because they have pickpockets.
Are you serious?
Yeah, in areas like this, you'll never know they done took your whole wallet.
Yeah, music playing from this side, music from that side.
Head northwest on 3rd Avenue North.
Oh, y'all,
then turn right on.
Head back home. Oh yeah, those look good. Okay, I'll just get this. I don't know about y'all, but I am completely drained from Nashville. Like, for real. It's so, like, so much going on. And it's like overstimulation of my senses. Oh, no, don't go, please. Be on the road. I need to get my cookies.
Bruh.
Y'all, it's currently 2:33 in the morning. My brother and his friend just got here. So we have a few furniture pieces. My mirror. I'm going with them, y'all. I'm not staying out here. All right, Malik, you got it. And 2 suitcases. I'm gonna just remove it in some type of way. You think? Slow motion. Slow motion. Slow and steady wins the race. I guess the wheel got busted. But yeah, it's starting to get a little bit packed in here. We got a few things so far. We didn't really come with much furniture just to make the trip lighter since we were traveling really far. We just plan to just start over completely with. Oh my god. We have white walls.
I gotta clean it.
He killed it, but like, look at it. Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh.
There you
Step
go.
up then.
We need some bleach. I got rid of mine because I wanted to start over. Let me go ahead and put these clothes on the dryer. Okay, it's gonna get a little bit packed in here now. This has finally showed up. We've been missing you. We've been missing you. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and declutter, start putting stuff up. My brother got me a Stanley Cup. It's my first time ever having one. He got me some little straw covers. But yeah, this is how it looks. Top part, the handle, it has a screw at the bottom too. This is what the bottom look like. And there we go. I'm just gonna wash these dishes before I go to sleep, and then in the morning we're gonna start unpacking all these things. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Now it's time to get dressed. So I'm about to turn this into this. Got the little slick bun. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and leave.
I wanna make it mine. Oh, I know I wanna be the next to you. I've been getting tired of this old place. Make me wanna go back to my old ways, no. Sin that put me down until the Lord came. Focus on the Lord until the Lord's day.
See you guys when we get down.
It wasn't for me, I wanna be holy, but it wasn't for free. Gave his life for me.
Yeah, we had to turn around.
Bruh.
Oh crap.
I use that 4-wheel drive lock. You know what 4-wheel drive lock is?
No, what is that? Oh my gosh. Whew. We made it. Y'all, we're really out here in the country. I don't think the waterfall is even that far. So we just made it to a falls. It took like 53 minutes to get here, y'all. But I'm pretty sure that the waterfall is pretty close because people's out here walking in their flannels. So that it's pretty much close by. Alright. To go. Probably to the right. Yeah, I gotta watch y'all step out here. Wow, this is crazy. This is so crazy, y'all. Yes, most definitely. What is that? Yeah, we're real life hiking right now. If y'all haven't liked and subscribed on the video, be sure y'all do hit that like button. Oh my gosh, those people. Please. Oh my god, we're so close to the edge. Okay, y'all, we made it closer to the waterfall.
You know jump up?
No.
Well, let me borrow that GoPro.
It's just the weight getting back up, y'all. Get my hug. I know this camera is really good. I gotta be careful, y'all, because look, it's giving scary, it's giving slippery, it's giving my life. Y'all, they left me. I'm just an innocent girl trying to make her way up the world. Okay, y'all, so currently we're trying to go to the top part of the waterfall, and we're pretty much already there. Like, all right, we're heading more towards the top part of the waterfall. Hiking is not for the meek, because let me tell you, I'm tired. But hey, this is for the content. This is for everybody. I hope y'all really like the video, and subscribe if you're a new viewer. Okay, let me go Malik's way. It looks more safe. I'm literally hugging onto the tree right now. Yeah, this one's nice. Okay, we made it. We made it. Okay, we made it to the upper part of the waterfall. This was not too bad. That would be like a good picture right there. The water is also really clear. Oh, can you saw that? Oh, that wasn't too bad. Oh, that was a good one. All right, y'all. Goodbye to the waterfall. Yeah, this one was easy. We didn't have to walk miles.
Yeah, we had to walk a mile, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, I told you it was gonna be difficult.
Like,
He didn't hear
I
you.
give you to jump in there.
Me?
Yeah.
25.
He said 25K?
It said 25 cents. Look at that. It's a far way down.
Larger than life. I'm recording too.
Ooh, it smell good in there. You can just pee in a bush or something. That's better than going in there.
Where the bush at, man?
Yeah, this thing is cold. This is actually really good. The water's so cold. Oh, that was a big drop.
Larger than life.
I got my new package. This is a new asset for the vlogs. Ta-da. Go ahead and light that up. It's a portable selfie light. Let me see. Oh, okay, there we go.
Larger than life.
Yeah, it looks really bright. Let me check. This is pretty bright. out how to get out of this parking garage.
This is the door we were just at.
Okay.
This is where we came in.
Now we're in an emergency area right now.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. We're all trying to figure out how to get out of here.
Parking garage. Stay down, makes sense.
Yeah, because we went down. Okay. We're in downtown right now. We're about to find the pedestrian bridge the best way we can because we honestly don't know where it's at. So. Y'all, this thing actually works. But we just got back from downtown. It was pretty hectic. Everybody named Mom was outside. Contender, yeah.
Bruh.
I know it's hard. I've been before. Wasn't long ago you walked me through the door. Wasn't long ago. Your kindness pulls me. Yep, so much. You know, when you're just moving, and it's easy to move out, but then when you move into your new place, it's like you have all this stuff to put up. So we have all this stuff to put up. Okay, so we have lots to like get put together because we got like half the stuff from our old place here. I'm about to wash the dishes and clean the kitchen before I head out because I am heading back out with my brother and his friend because I need to handle some business. I'm going back there with him and it's going to be another vlog. So there's going to be multiple vlog series. Stay tuned. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next day. Peace, love, and blessings. Bye. Bye. Thanks for watching.